little cheesecake. Sophia. Wow.
$3.
How's that $3? It's so little. Guys, wait, have we made a video about Josh's birthday? Well, guys, if you never, we never made a video in Joshua's birthday on YouTube. And guys, this is the this is a good thing. I don't know what to say. Our first video of Joshua's birthday. It's coming on September 30th. If you're watching this and anybody's coming here, if anyone's coming to my birthday or Joshua's, well, good.
What do you want, Josh?
This one. It's not ice cream cake.
What?
I know.
Now look.
Oh, wow.
Which I buy those. Okay, guys, look. This is what I expected. No milk.
Only one left that is pink, but we don't eat that
Yeah,
kind.
we don't eat milk either. We don't drink that kind either.
Yeah.
We don't eat that kind, Rachel?
We don't drink. Does all of them
Okay,
say fat free?
Okay, that's what I was afraid of.
Daddy was afraid of not having a milk.
See, that's what I'm telling you. Everybody's going to come to the store and buy all the milk. And they did.
I wasn't scared.
Mom thought I was being silly, but you.
I don't care if there's no milk, but if there's no cereal, I'm mad. Okay, Joshua said he's gonna find Dad. Guys, I think Joshua got lost. Josh? Josh, how could you do that? This title should be Joshua got lost.
Yeah, come here and then focus on.
Guys, Joshua got lost, but now we found him. Josh, come back. Come on now, Josh. This title should be Joshua got lost.
Yeah.
No, I had Joshua just got lost. No, Joshua had fun. No, Joshua had lost. Joshua got lost and he had fun. Okay, guys, so now we're heading back home right now, and now Josh is finally here. He was lost and he had fun. It was so. It's warm now, so we'll see you in the car. Maybe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye. Okay, guys, so now we're at home. We're not in home. It's getting windy. Oh. Okay, now we're about to go inside. This is wobbly.